Student, in last video we studied the harvesting and threshing of red gram. Now we study the yield of red gram. There are three types yield obtained from the red gram. Number one, mixed crop. When it is grown as a mixed crop, that time 3 to 4 quintals per hectare seeds yield is obtained. When it is grown as a rain-fed crop, but it is pure or sole crop, that time yield is obtained 10 to 12 quintals per hectare. And when it is grown as a pure or sole crop as a irrigated, that time yield is obtained as a 18 to 20 kilogram per hectare. Then we study the different types of pests and diseases attack on the red gram. Number one, there are pests, different types of pests. Number one, gram pod borer caterpillar. Number second, pod borer caterpillar. And number third one is the leaf eating caterpillar. And diseases are like wilt disease and number second, leaf spot disease. These two diseases and three pests are mostly attack and destruct the red gram plant and affect on the yield of grains and also on quality. So initially we study the number of pests which are attack on red gram. Number one pest, gram pod borer caterpillar. Nature of damage. The red gram also attack, red gram crop also attack the pest majorly as a gram pod borer caterpillar or pest. So nature of damage. The attack of this pest is on developing milky stage grains. So grains are looks like as a half broken, pods are looks like as a make a hole by this caterpillar, and so quantity is inferior of grains. So nature of damage, carefully listen. Number one, there is this caterpillar attack at the time of pod formation stage. Number second, initially larvae of this caterpillar make a small hole on pod and enter inside the pod. And laterally, this caterpillar feed on developing milky stage grains, and grains are remain as a half broken, which is known as a inferior quality grains. Then the main feature of this caterpillar is that the half body mouth part remain inside the pod and half is remain outside of the pod. And this caterpillar that time feed the developing grains of red gram which are developed in pod. Then the control measures. Control measures, initially there are physical methods of weed control. Physical methods, that's one is the field is keep weedless. Field is keep weedless initial 30 to 45 days. It also reduces the attack of this caterpillar. Next one is the use of pheromone and light traps to attract the butterflies of this caterpillar. So these are two physical pest control method. Next one is at the initial stage of pod formation stage, dust 1.3% linden powder early in the morning at the rate of 15 kilogram per hectare. And next one is the given a spray of NPV, nuclear polyhydrosis virus solution to control the gram pod borer caterpillar. And next one is the given a spray of monocrotophos 15 ml per 10 liter water, or given a spray of endosulfan 14 ml per 10 liter water. Interval should be taken between two sprays should be 15th days, and care should be taken that at the time of each spray time insecticide is alternate. Insecticide is alternate. So these are the most important pest. So next one pest is the pod borer caterpillar. What is the pod borer caterpillar? This pest, pod borer pest, is also attack. Pod borer pest is also attack on pod formation stage. Also pod formation stage. So what are the nature of damage? We study the nature of damage of pod borer pest. Pod borer pest, when butterfly of this pest laid the eggs or hatches the eggs inside the pod at the time of pod formation stage. So we cannot see the destruction or attack of this pest at initial stage. It thrusts its organ inside the pod and laid eggs in pod. So this is not seen by eyes. Number next, after that these eggs are incubated and small caterpillar comes out from the eggs and it feed on milky stage grains, bore the grains, half broken grains which are remain as a half broken or inferior quality. So when pod separate or break or crush, that time we should notice. Uh, Externally the attack of this pest is not seen by eyes. So control measures initially this pest is attack of this pest is controlled at pod development stage, means that is the butterfly stage. So when crop is on at the stage grown as a stage of pod formation, that time pheromone traps or light traps are arranged into the field to attract these butterflies and avoid the damage of, through this pest. Number second, at the time of initial stage of pod formation, dust 1.3% linden powder early in the morning at the rate of 15 kg per hectare. Number second, same as given a spray of monocrotophos 15 ml per 10 liter water or given a spray of endosulfan 14 ml per 10 liter water to control this pest. Use pheromone traps, light traps to attract the butterfly and avoid the spreading of this caterpillar on crop. And third, next one is the field is keep weedless. So these are the control measures of this pest. Next one pest is the leaf eating caterpillar. Leaf eating caterpillar, this pest, nature of damage, this pest attack on initially tender leaves and it feed the leaves, tender part of plant like tender shoot. Next one, it also attack on flowers at flower setting stage and pods at pod development stage. So this caterpillar also when it feed leaves, defoliation or leaves are also make a injured or leaves are looks like as a holes feed by this caterpillar. So this caterpillar should be attacked at any stage of crop and different parts are affected by this caterpillar. So control measure, given a spray of monocrotophos 10 ml per 10 liter water, given a spray of endosulfan 14 ml per 10 liter water, and insecticide should be alternate. When gram pod borer and pod borer caterpillar controlled by insecticide, this pest should be ultimately controlled by these insecticide spray. So next one we study the diseases of red gram crop. Disease number one, wilt disease, which is asked in board exam question for 2 marks. Wilt disease of red gram crop, or it should be also asked Tur wilt disease or wilt disease of Tur. Tur is the local name and red gram is the English name. So it should be also asked as a local name, wilt disease of Tur. So, and for question number 1A, fill in the blanks. Wilt disease caused by the fungi of Fusarium udum. This question should be asked in 1 mark, fill in the blanks. Fusarium udum is our answer. So, the symptoms of wilt disease. It is the fungus disease of red gram crop. Initially, it attacks at the stage of germination and after that seedling stage. So, this disease attack at initial stage of growth. Next one, wilt disease of red gram is caused by Fusarium udum fungi. Seedlings are suddenly turn into pale yellow color and stunted, and laterally infected seedlings are suddenly dried from top to bottom, and plants are looks like as a withered. Drying of plants or seedlings from top to bottom is known as a dead heart. When these seedlings are uprooted, that time black color lesions are appeared on the root or stem, so that make an injury. So this should be carefully listen the symptoms of red gram. Next one is the control measure. Control measures, there are infected plants are immediately uprooted from the field with some soil and destroyed outside of the field by burning. Next one is the use disease resistant varieties like BDN1 and BDN2. Number next, do not take on next 2 to 3 year red gram crop in highly wilt disease infected field, and excess rainwater immediately drain out from the field. So these are the control measures of red gram crop. Number next one disease is the leaf spot disease. Leaf spot disease means red to brown color spots are appeared. So we study the symptoms of leaf spot. Number one, it is also fungus disease. It is the fungus disease of red gram crop. Number second, initially brown color spots are appeared on leaves and stem. Laterally, these spots are enlarged and turn into black color. Severe attack of this disease results, lesions are appeared on the stem at infected portion, means injured part look or seen as a lesions or injured. So these are the symptoms of leaf spot disease. Control measure for leaf spot disease, given a spray of DM45 at the rate of 25 to 30 gram per 10 liter water, given a spray of copper oxychloride 25 gram per 10 liter water, or given a spray of Bordeaux mixture, given a spray of 1% Bordeaux mixture at the interval of 15 days for 2 times. And the procedure of Bordeaux mixture preparation, 1% Bordeaux mixture preparation is 1 kilogram lime plus 1 kilogram copper sulfate and 100 liter water. This solution is 1% Bordeaux mixture solution, and this is spray, or sometime it also available in market 1% Bordeaux mixture solution or Bordeaux mixture solution. So we studied the carefully red gram crop, which is classified as a pulse crop in paper 1. Most important pulse crop in paper 1 red gram. So we study the carefully for our exam red gram crop. Sometimes we also ask for different 2 marks short note, 4 mark question A or B, or question for tabular information. Supply the information on tabular form. That time it also asks for half mark, and when it is asked in fill in the blanks, that time it also asks for 1 mark. So student, this topic is carefully listen and study for our board exam. Thank you.